Okay, this video is about understanding ratios. I find them pretty simple. They're something that, I don't know if you'd use it too much in day-to-day life, but it's a pretty simple concept for kids to understand. So here we have a picture of, we have two boys and 1, 2, 3, 4 girls. So ratio is kind of comparing the numbers of different things. There's two different ways we can do a ratio. We can do a part to part or a part to whole. So what that means is we can look at, so let's start with part to part. Compare the number of girls, for example, is one part of what we're looking at, and boys is another part. So in terms of the numbers here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 girls, and we are looking at girls first. Be careful of that. If it's asking for girls first, you have to put the girls number first. So there's 4 girls, and then it's asking for 2 boys. So we're gonna write in there 2, and then boys, we have 1, 2, so we're gonna write in 2. The part to part is girls, 2 boys is 4 to 2. Simple as that. This here full colon is just another way to write a ratio. Same thing exactly. Girls to boys is 4. And then we have the double ratio, the full colon here to 2. Miss Cooper, what if it asked us to write boys to girls? Really simple. It's then going to be 2, 4, because it's asking for the boys first. Down here, the part to whole, you might be able to guess. The whole is just looking at the whole number. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kids. So it's asking, the first one here is how many girls there are compared to how many kids. So we counted 4 girls to 6 kids in total. And below I've asked for how many boys compared to all the kids. There are the 2 boys compared to all 6 kids. Here we have 2 very straightforward examples from the IXL practice. So this one, what is the ratio of stars to triangles? So this is a part to part. It's asking us, okay. Oh, and this one wants us to use a slash. Write your answer as a fraction, because a ratio is a kind of fraction. Use a slash to separate the numerator and denominator. Okay, very straightforward. How many stars do we have first? 1, 2, and then a slash, and then how many triangles? 1. Stars, 1, 2, to triangles, 1. That's all we need to do. Down here, notice this one has that full colon that we talked about. What is the ratio of hexagons? A hexagon is this 6-sided figure to total shapes. So this is that part to whole. So how many hexagons? They've already told us 2. Total shapes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All we have to do is write in 5. That's it. Good luck.